Hello everyone, welcome to another video of GradChip. If it's your first time here, subscribe to the channel below and let's get started. So today we'll be speaking about resumes, specifically things that you don't want to do in your resume. So here are 3 things I'm noticing a lot of graduates and international students do in their resume and they shouldn't do that. So the first mistake I'm seeing a lot of graduates do in their resume is adding a lot of personal attributes. Hardworking, efficient, punctual, work under pressure. These are all great qualities. The employer expects you to do that. But to have your whole profile summary around personal attributes is not the right way. You want to speak about your transferable skills, you want to speak about communication. The job requires any communication to a software, teamwork, more technical skills. It's good to mention some personal skills, but you want to be more brief in your description. Now, the second mistake I'm seeing a lot of graduates do in their resume is they make it too long. As a general guide or rule of thumb, your resume should be 1 to 2 pages if you're a graduate with less than 5 years experience. If your resume is 3 pages, 4 pages, 5 pages, it is not readable and it becomes really hard for the hiring manager to find out the relevant information and identify them. So make your resume really readable and short. We spoke about the 3 R's of the resume, so make sure your resume passed that test. You'll be seeing it in the video here. The third and last mistake I'm seeing a lot of graduates and international do in their resume is they add a lot of personal information that's not required. I'm speaking about religion, your full street address, a photo if the role doesn't require that, things that are more personal like family or marital status. These things are not required in Australia. You want to remove them completely from the resume, just like you want to remove your date of birth, because that's personal information and you should not include that in the resume. Hope you found some value in today's video. Subscribe below to get more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.